How to remove backdrop from your pictures in Affinity Photo. The first thing to do is to check that you are on the latest version of the software. They make huge changes in version 2.6 and this process is now way easier. So click on the Affinity Photo 2 About so you can see which version are you on. If you are on version 2.6 or later, you are good to go. Simply select the layer with the image and then pick this tool over here called Object Selection Tool. If this tool is missing, as I mentioned, maybe you need to update to a newer version. With this tool, now you'll be able to highlight areas of the image. I suggest to actually highlight the main subject, click on it once, like this, and then click Refine button. With this, you will see this red color indicating what will be removed. Feel free to zoom in with Command+. As you can see, they forget to highlight this area, but we can fix it now. Click Background, reduce the size of the brush with the square brackets and point this area here. Alright. You can use it other way around. If they select with the red color too much, you can use foreground and mark this as something you want to keep. Alright, and then click Output, and the best way is to do a new layer with the mask. Click Apply, and here it is. We just remove the backdrop from the image. We got this checkerboard indicating transparency. If you got similar case to me, you got a lot of those free area now, you can also do a bit of cropping. So select the crop tool, push the boundary of the image closer, like that, then click Apply. And we are ready to save this new version of the image without the backdrop. You can see this checkerboard. We need to save it as PNG to maintain transparency. So click File, Export, and don't forget to change the format to PNG. Here it is, export, and we are done. So that's how easy it is to remove the backdrop from your images using Affinity Photo. Be sure you got version 2.6 so you can use this very handy object selection tool. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.